Okay, today in this video I'm going to show to you how to create from the beginning uh, your own services site on busyman.co. So busyman.co has recently launched the SMS marketing campaign and then also automated voice calls. You must check it out. Okay, now to begin we already know that we have a 30-day trial period. So we click here. This will take us to the registration page. A simple registration. We have to give an email ID. So I will give one email ID over here and then some business name. The spa services. So the spa services, you got a unique name for your business. So that's it. And some pre-filled password is there from my past record. And I click here, I'm not a robo, and I'm good to go. With this, I come to the kind of site that I want to create. Choose your business type. My business provides services, so we're creating a services site. So I save it. This will take me to the next one. Some pre-filled data is there. An email has been sent to busyman.desk by the system for verification, which I need to do later. Okay, some inputs required to be filled here. The spa services has been taken up by the system itself. It's a one man, or I can make it a 10-person. It's a 10-person. It's a 10-person site, business size, and then some mobile number I have to give. Okay, so I have to enter a mobile number. And this is the mobile number that I have to enter. It is less than 10 digits, so this become red. Now it's okay. A site, if I have a site, I have to enter it over here. I can leave bank as well. Then I have to enter the address. So I will enter the address where my uh, business is operating. So I choose the address, and the map down below changes as per the address. I also have the option of choosing by shifting the map and confirming the position. So the address will change as per the new location, the pointer. Something about the business that we want to write, so your clients will be able to see what you've written over here. Then we have an about us image, so we will choose one about us image and put it over here, and we say continue. One more form. Now it is going to ask you about the category your business is, so we can choose from here. There are certain options given, so we say we are beauty salon, psychology. We are a beauty salon, okay, and some short description. We could have also done it from here, so we could have said it is a beauty industry, either way, and then I have to choose a profession. So I say spa, okay. So by doing this much, I have come to the dashboard. I have been able to create a site for myself, and this is the dashboard. Here number of things are there. My appointments will be shown here. I can add a client from here. I can send a message, invoices, packages, I can record payment, the upcoming calendar, what is the booking. Since it is a new site, there are no bookings, there are no payments. So this is how the site will look to you. What we need to do is we need to go to the settings. On clicking the settings, I am shown various options, and certain services have been self-created. So these are the services which have been self-created by the site. So these services fall under certain categories, and these are the sample services. There are 3 services in this. So suppose I want to create a new category. So I have to create a new category by adding category. So the category name is, let's say, tea making category. So I say tea making category. A new category has been added. Here the tea making category has come. So But in the new tea making category, I have to now say I have to make a service over here. So now the service, for creating a service, I have to click on the one-on-one appointment. That is, one-to-one person interaction will take place. So since it is one-to-one appointment, the attendance is 1. The service name is, I will choose a random one, beauty package special, and the description is the beauty of the person will be enhanced, something like that. And if you want to give an image, you can put over here image. You can choose an image and put over here. There's some text so that the search engines can identify what kind of image is this. Location, it is a face-to-face. So my business address, location is a business address, the phone number which I had entered while registering. Single station, I could have had multi-stations at my spa, but this is a single station. Duration is all pre-filled. Some hours, you can change it. Some minutes, you can change it. Time slot, if I want some interval between interactions, so 20 minutes. Preparation time, I want 10 minutes. This is a single session or a multi-session. That means the booking will be one session, or will it get spread over more than one session. And thereafter is the services available through regular business hours. Now I have to enter the price. So there are options over here: free, don't display a fee, price varies, display a fee, or you want to pay it booking. So we want to pay it booking. So what is the price? This is 1,000 rupees, and per session of full service. So we say it is a full service since it is a single session. So I save it. With this, I have created a new service under this category, and now this service does not have a staff. Staff is a must. So I have to go there. I have to go to the service which I created, and I have to add a staff. So I have to say the first, some pre-filled data will come. I'm just taking it so that I can fill it up easily and quickly. So some date of birth I have to enter, the staff. Okay, so I have entered some random date of birth, qualification, date joined, mobile number. Okay, and sample service is what, no, we have to have the new service over here, and these are the packages in the list station. And now if I want to add an image of the person, I say okay, add an image. Okay, so the image is added and the staff is added. Something I've left out: qualification, graduate. So he's a graduate, and I say add staff. Date of birth missed out. Okay, so I enter the date of birth again. Okay, now it should take it. Yeah, so it's saving the staff, and this error should go away immediately. So now when I see the error is gone and there is a staff assigned to it, so I go back and I find that the new service is up and running. So here I've created a new service. The old ones I can delete easily. I can just go here. This is the edit button, or I also have the option, if I go back from here, I also have the option of deleting this. So I can delete. Are you sure? I'm sure I want to delete, and so I'll delete it. And one service has gone from the 2 services only. My own service stays. So with this service creation, you've understood how the services can be created. Now we have something called online presence. So this is the client portal link. If I click here, you can see how your page will be visible to the clients. Some live site is coming up. This is how your site will be visible to the clients. Okay, and these are the 3 services: beauty package special which you created, and online services are pass-through services which are pre-filled. And there's a link also, book now. And this is your special site which has been created by the system. So I want to see it as a demo client. So I click over there and it takes me to the actual web page where I can see that the site is live. And now if I want to book this new service, I click here and it takes me to a calendar. The calendar will just come up. Yeah, so there is a calendar. And if I want to book it for the 25th, I click here. I say okay, 1400 hours. I say continue and the form will come. As a client, I have to fill all the details over here and then I can book an appointment. So you see how easy it is. And then we have certain other fields over here. You are free to explore and you're free to test it out for 30 days. Should you have any questions, you feel free to uh, send a WhatsApp message on this number, or you can also email. Thank you.